Hello everyone, today let's make a basic note for making baskets. I'm gonna teach you how to make just basic notes. You can use these notes to make baskets, toys and other decorative items. So you are going to need two strands of wires, and you are going to fold them in the middle like this. Fold the other one in the middle as well. Take one with your right hand and the other with your left hand. So now we are going to put this right wire over to the left side like this through the loop here. So place it here, and with your thumb hold it here and use the second wire, not the first one but this back one, and fold it upwards. Use the second wire, not this one, use the second wire, fold it and put it through the loop here like this. So we are going to tighten these knots. So push your upper wire downwards and hold it here and pull it downward like this. Now push this one, push this upward. Now it's tight. So this is your basic knot. Now you are going to measure the length and make sure that they are equal. So this one is longer. So since this one is longer, push this downward and we are going to push this. So in order to pull this down, first pull this upward and take hold of the second wire and pull it upward like this. And now we can push this downward now. So pull here like this and measure their length again. Now they are not equal, but if it is like this, it's okay. So now compare these two once again. They are equal. Now we have a basic notes, so you can use these notes to make baskets and various other things. Please subscribe to the channel for more future uploads.